Hi guys, so I just wanted to do a quick update on the pinball machine, the mini pinball machine. I've made a couple of changes and just wanted to show you what I've done. The first and most obvious is that I've taken the MAME controller. One of the guys there was saying that it spoils it, and as a pinball, yeah, I'd have to agree. It's not necessary. If you wanted to play MAME, then it would be necessary to have a joystick. So what I've done is I've just enabled it so that I can take this away like this, and I've just blanked off the whole. If I wanted to go back and do, MAME games, I've got the facility just to take this panel out and put that panel back in. Just attach the wires and away you go. But for the moment, because I'm just using pinball, I've just blanked that off. Now, what you might notice also is that I've installed PinballX. I did say I'd got PinballX. This is a free front end for the pinball games. It's in a tracked mode at the moment, so that it's just jumping through all the different pinball games that it has found in its database on the computer. So you just left right here, as you can see. I've not long since updated this, so what you need to do is you need to the nudge button there jumps letter by letter through the list of pinball games which it's found, of which there are 135. You probably only play half a dozen of them, but anyway. Okay, so here, now what I've done is I've downloaded some media, so the pictures are available, and some of them have the video also of the game in play. So this one here, BioLab, part of the Pinball FX2 setup, has a demonstration pinball, demonstration video showing you how that pinball layout is. You can go through here, and obviously this one here has not yet been set up. Obviously these ones here, Bob's Burgers. There you go. So from this front end, we can start the game that's on there, and it'll load it. It's actually very simple to set up. It looks quite complicated, but it's not. Set it up there, and it'll go straight into Bob's Burgers. Miss out the front end of Pinball FX2, and just go straight into the game. So I'll just show you how it works. There you go. And as we mentioned before, this is not a high spec. This is not a high-spec computer, but it has no problems running this game here. So there you go. Squirt the mustard. Okay. Now you might want to change the view to suit your particular. Seems to be a lot of empty road down here on that.
This is the same for the family.
I've got a key here, so that's looks like a better view there. Okay, so that's it basically. That's what I just wanted to show you.
It's okay, I guess I wasn't meant to.
Was just that I updated this. I've also removed the sticker from the front of here. You might have noticed it wasn't particularly attractive, and without the green buttons on the top, it actually looks quite nice. So I'll just again show you very quickly around, just to show you how it works. And again, this keyboard and obviously the mouse are Wi-Fi connected to the. I beg your pardon, Wi-Fi. It's a USB connection through the main board inside. So that's it basically. And what I'm going to do is, at some point probably, I'll get round to making a back box. For the moment, it's not necessary. I was only going to put that in a box, but yeah, I'm delighted with this. Really, it plays wonderfully. It's as I say, it was just about $100 to build, not including the game software. I hasten to add, you don't have to figure that in. Although there are lots of free pinball games out there. Now the other ones are the virtual pinball. The virtual pinball I intend to put on there as well. I've got it installed, but I've not set it up yet. And I might do another clip looking specifically at the software. But for the moment, that I just wanted to catch you up with where the project was so far. Okay, if you've got any questions, any comments, please ask in the comments, and I'll come back to you as soon as I can. Okay, thanks guys. I appreciate all your interest. Cheers. Bye. Yeah, just a quick footnote is that you'll see here now that I've removed the circuit board that controls the playfield monitor. I had that on the top because I hadn't wired it up yet, but basically I've rewired this so that this not only turns the computer on, but also turns the playfield monitor on also, because this Benq monitor, the micro switch would not remember its settings. So if you turned it on, the next time you turn the computer off, it went off, and you needed to manually press the button again. So by daisy chaining the on-off switch for the main board to the circuit board for the monitor, the on-off switch, both will switch on simultaneously. You'll see that the Backglass, the Dell monitor, remembers it was on as the previous setting. But if you watch this, I'll show you here that when I switch the computer on, the monitor comes on its own. That was just a case of just making the connection across the micro switch. So it's relatively simple to do. If you wanted to, I could show you just how I've wired that up. But as you can see now, just by hitting the on-off switch here, it all starts at the same time. Playfield monitor, Backglass, LED lights, everything comes on as you would want through just a single switch. And again, if you have any questions about that, please let me know in the comments, and I'll get back to you. Okay, thanks again, guys. Catch you next time.